Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with eToro for crypto portfolio alerts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the eToro website. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Now button to create one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link from eToro. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your eToro account using your credentials. Now that you are logged in, locate the Portfolio section on the main dashboard. Click on the Portfolio tab to view your current investments. Next, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. In the Settings menu, find the Notifications option. Click on Notifications to access your alert preferences. Here, you will see options for various types of alerts, including crypto portfolio alerts. Select the specific alerts you would like to receive regarding your crypto investments. You may opt for alerts based on price changes, market movements, or news updates. Ensure your email and mobile number are correctly entered for receiving notifications. After configuring your preferences, save the changes to apply your settings. You can further customize your alerts as needed within the same menu. Now, you will start receiving alerts based on the settings you selected. To ensure you are notified promptly, check your device and email settings for notifications. Regularly revisit the settings to adjust your alert preferences whenever necessary. This will help you stay informed about your crypto portfolio effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.